guys, James here with One Life, One Chance, 1L1C. My Chesapeake Lightcraft camper has arrived. It's been here about a week. Haven't been able to mess with it until today. I did get a head start on the unpacking. Lots of tape. These pieces are not moving. They're not going anywhere. So I'm going to work on this for a little while and start putting that frame together. I will post more as I can. And from Ollie, Happy New Year to everyone, and look out for more. Hey Ollie, that's your boy. Good morning guys, James here. Got things organized a little bit better. Got my table ready. I'm working on cleaning up these puzzle joints. A little piece of sandpaper is working fine. Not sure what grit this is. But yeah, all I'm doing is just hitting the edges of it. It's kind of an aggressive sandpaper. And then I'm using a rasp to take down these little tabs from where they machined these panels out. And honestly, this chipper, this is a shin tube. Works okay. It grabs a little too much. This cheap Amazon rasp seems to be working really well. Doesn't take a lot of effort. Just take your time. Take off too much material and just get it smooth. That's all we need to do. I'm gonna probably be gluing these up today, so I will update you as I can. Say goodbye, Ollie. Say goodbye. Hi, James here. All right, I've got the handles glued up. When this dries, I'm gonna hit them with some 150 grit sandpaper, just kind of smooth out the little bumps from the super glue or the CA glue. And then gonna mix up the epoxy. I've got it ready to go, and we'll get these panels put together. Say hi, Ollie. Oliver North. He's busy. There's too much going on out here. He's got to be judgmental of everybody that walks up and down the sidewalk. All right, guys, I'll keep you updated as it comes along. All right, guys, we've got some progress here. I've got all the joints taped inside, or fiberglass rather. It's not pretty, but I'm really not that concerned about it because I'm going to do the liner. I am going to coat the whole inside, so I'll give it a sand and coat everything inside. Right now it's curing, so I'm just letting it sit on the side. I am planning on doing a layer of fiberglass around the whole door and across the door on both sides. Thinking maybe it'll help it hold its shape a little bit better. I don't know, we'll see. I am doing stainless hinges. So I filled these, and I've still got to do the rest of them, but I am going to do stainless hinges instead of the wood. Did some sanding. I think my wife wants to do a dark stain on the bulkhead, at least in the cabin and the shelf. So I need to talk to her and figure out what color she wants. I think I read somewhere that you have to use an alcohol-based stain, so I have to source that. These were sanded with 150 grit. Got them pretty smooth. Kind of rounded the edges a little bit by hand. Sanded the shelf flat. I didn't round the edges on that until I glue the little, what's it called, a bull nose or something. Other than that, I think it's moving along pretty well. And I will keep everyone updated as I go along.